In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the search feature in your workspace on Docsie Platform. Head to the top toolbar in your Docsie Workspace, and you'll see a search bar that says Search Workspace. That's your starting point. Just click on the search bar, and a dialog box will pop up where you can type in what you're looking for. Enter your search term, and you'll see relevant results start showing up right in that dialog box. If you need to refine your results, try using the date filters. You can limit your search to anytime, today, yesterday, past 7 days, past 30 days, past year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.